Google Assistant Guest Mode is a privacy feature designed for Google Nest and home speakers and smart displays. Let's explore what this feature does and why it matters. Guest Mode works on Google Nest speakers and smart displays. When activated, it prevents your interactions with Google Assistant from being saved to your Google account. Think of Guest Mode like incognito mode for your voice assistant. Just as incognito mode prevents your browser from saving your browsing history, Guest Mode prevents Google Assistant from saving your voice interactions. Guest Mode is ideal for shared devices when you want to maintain privacy. It's perfect when you have guests over, or when you're planning a surprise and don't want your searches to influence future recommendations. In Guest Mode, you can still perform many actions like playing music, controlling smart home devices, setting timers, and getting local information. However, personal results like calendar entries and contacts are restricted for privacy. Important to remember, while Guest Mode prevents Google Assistant from saving your interactions, other Google services like Maps or YouTube, as well as third-party apps, might still save data from your interactions. Activating Guest Mode is straightforward using simple voice commands. Let's see how this works in practice. When Guest Mode activates, you'll hear a distinctive chime sound, and smart displays will show a guest icon to confirm the mode is active. You can check if Guest Mode is currently active by asking, "Hey Google, is Guest Mode on?" This helps you confirm the privacy setting before using the device. When Guest Mode is active, Google automatically deletes audio recordings and assistant activity from the device owner's account, providing enhanced privacy protection. Guest Mode supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and Hindi, making it accessible to users worldwide. While Guest Mode is a useful privacy tool, it's important to understand its limitations. It's not a security feature, since anyone can disable it, and interactions with other Google services or third-party apps may still be saved by those services.